Alright, quick thought experiment. Your factory's got sensors, cameras, logs, oceans of data, yet defects still slip through, and every minute of downtime costs real money. What if the inspection microscope, the AI, and the factory brain actually talk to each other? In real time. That's the whole pitch behind Nanotronics. Master your factory's data. It's an AI-powered platform for autonomous manufacturing that blends high-resolution imaging, computer vision, closed-loop control so you can spot problems faster and fix them before they spread. Act 1. The problem. Traditional quality control is like checking your mirror after the car's already scratched. You're sampling, you're waiting, you're reacting. In high-volume lines, chips, biotech, aerospace, tiny misses become huge losses. You don't need more reports, you need feedback that actually changes the process on the fly. Act 2. The solution. Nanotronics builds a vertically integrated stack. Hardware, software, end-to-end. First, the automated industrial microscope. Think, optical microscopy tuned for nanometer-level features, but turbocharged with AI. It doesn't just take beautiful images, it understands them all, flags anomalies, whites, all, and learns over time. Then, NSpec, the AI-powered optical inspection system. It runs real-time defect detection with customizable models, so an electronics line looks different from an aerospace line. And that's fine. The AI adapts to your materials, your tolerances, your rules. Next is the game changer, end control. This is closed-loop predictive factory control. Instead of saying, here's the defect, it says, here's the parameter to adjust to prevent the next one. Speed, temperature, exposure. Mix, end control looks at the pattern, nudges the process, and keeps yields where you want them. And for the people who need to see the invisible, there's N-Visible, 3D VR. Explore microscopic models like you're walking inside the material. It's niche, but when you're debugging the weird stuff, it's a superpower. Act 3. The payoff. Less waste. Lower costs. Higher yield. You move from sampling to continuous insight, from lagging metrics to live control. That's why you see this deployed across multiple countries and industries: semiconductors, biotech and healthcare, automotive, aerospace, defense, chemical processing. When seconds and microns matter, speed plus precision wins. Brand energy? Transform the entire manufacturing stack, from top to bottom. A paradigm shift in process control. Big claims, sure, but they've got the stack to back it up. A few practical notes. Pricing isn't public. These are customized deployments tuned to your factory and throughput. Headquarters are in the Brooklyn Navy Yard at 63 Flushing Avenue, with additional facilities in Ohio and California. If you're serious about a pilot, you're going to talk scope, data, and ROI first. Here's my take. If your bottleneck is defect detection, if your goal is fewer excursions and tighter process windows, this kind of closed-loop AI is where the curve bends. It's not just seeing more, it's deciding faster. If that resonates, start simple. Pick one line, one high-value step, and let continuous inspection feed end control. Measure the yield delta over 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. If it pays, scale. Master your factory's data. Or keep guessing. Your call. Check out nanotronics.ai to dive deeper and book a demo. Thanks for watching.